If you're between 15 and 17 and want a learner's permit in Florida, here's what you need to do. First, take a 4-hour drug and alcohol course. It's also called the Data or TLSAE course. You can sign up online and finish it at your own pace on any device. Once you're done, it's automatically reported to the Florida DMV. Next is the Class E knowledge exam. That's the official learner's permit test. It's 50 multiple-choice questions and you need 40 correct to pass. You can take it online or in person, and it covers basic traffic rules and safe driving. The Florida Driver Handbook has everything you need, but a practice test helps too. You'll also take a quick vision and hearing check at the DMV. Glasses, contacts, or hearing aids are fine if you need them. If you pass with them, you'll just have a restriction added to your permit. Now, before you head to the DMV, gather your documents. You'll need a birth certificate or passport, your social security card, 2 documents showing your Florida address. And if you're under 18, a parental consent form and maybe a parent proctoring form if you took the test online. Make sure these are originals, not copies. And that's it. Once you've passed everything and turned in your documents, you'll get your learner's permit and be ready to start practicing on the road. That is it. Thanks for watching.